How to turn off video email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off video email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications. Now go down here, you will find this one video and click this one email, turn it off. And as you see, email notifications have been turned off. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.